Gradebook categories. Categories must be defined in order to add assignments. This needs to be done at the beginning of the school year. If your department's grading policies do not utilize categories, create one called Total Points. Otherwise, use the department-defined categories and weights. Open the Settings menu. Under Gradebook Setup, select Categories. If you would like to add the category to all your settings, be sure All is displayed under Sections. Click Add on the bottom right. Enter a category name. Apply to all sections using the Section checkbox in the top gray area. Enter the weight of the category. If adding total points or using unweighted categories, enter 1. If the category is weighted, enter the percentage. Important note when using weighted categories. Weight categories must be checked in the Grade Calc options. Save. Repeat the steps for each additional category. Close when done. Do not edit the Common Assessment category. Categories can be copied from previous years that will be covered in another video.